Damn, son. Sorry about that. Oh, no.
Well, hi, welcome back to the channel. As you know, I've been practicing on these videos, getting prepared to go live with my new YouTube channel. And the last video, I really struggled with color balance. We were in this location and I was using the GoPro and the Insta360 and the colors were just terrible. So I did some research, and what I'm doing today, I do have a topic for today's video, but this is probably one of the last few videos I'm going to do to learn and get used to filming and editing before I go live. And I kind of want to work on color balance, and so that's what's going on behind the scenes on these videos. So I'll be working on that today. But the topic is these over-the-tire tracks. My buddy Austin is going to be delivering the Bobcat here in a little bit. It had to go out for service, and luckily it didn't end up being anything too expensive, so yay for that. But we took the tracks off because we didn't know how long it was going to be in the shop and how much moving around it had to be done, because these tracks have a rubber foot on them, if you will. I got another set over there that are steel, and the reason why you would put tracks over the tires on a Bobcat is to give it more traction, because out at the gravel pit, where I intend on using this quite a bit, the Bobcat will be digging into earth, and if the tires spin on that, it'll be tougher. So I bought these mainly for the gravel pit purpose, and we'll be putting those back on today in preparation for that. And also, as a follow-on to the gravel driveway video I just put up, we'll be going out to the gravel pit and using the Bobcat's bucket to dig and create a big pile of raw gravel. Then we'll be using the flip screen, and let me take you over here and show you the flip screen. So this is my flip screen S30. They come in several different sizes. This was the appropriate match for my size Bobcat. I've used it here a little bit on near my big fire pit, because in disrupting all around that fire pit created a nice pile of topsoil, which is used a lot around here on the homestead. On the lawn area and such. Now this has a set of screens on it that are, I think they're 2 inches. So what we'll do is we'll use that on the first screening, and what that'll do is that'll let 2-inch and smaller rocks fall through. The big rocks that I had to deal with when we built the driveway will be captured, and then that'll be set aside for other uses around the homestead. And if we come over here, I have another screen that you put on the flip screen, and then we'll take that 2-inch and finer pile, and then we'll use this 1-inch screen to further separate it down. So then technically we'll have a pile of 2-inch stone, 1 inch to 2-inch size in one pile, and then 1 inch and the fines in another pile. And I'm guessing if you're building another driveway, you would take the first sorting of the 1 to 2 inch stone, put that down as a base, and then put the 1-inch defines on top, and then you'll have a real nice gravel driveway. So that's the mission for today. Let's go get the tractor, and we'll come over here and get the McLaren over the tire tracks and lay them out on the ground so that when Austin gets here, we can put them back on the Bobcat. All right, let's go.
Damn, son. Sorry about that. Oh, no. That could be a major problem. See that? You can fall backwards or bent that. I don't know what I'm going to shove that in there.
It'll work. Check, check, check. Okay. Looks like it worked. The unexpected. Let's see how this is going to go. All right, so over here where all my attachments are, it's nice to keep them up off the ground, and sometimes they need to be a little bit higher than the ground in order for the quick hitch to detach for them. So I think that's where I'm going to put the land plane, right there. And then over here is my little triangle gimmick I was telling you about. We'll put that on the back of the trailer, and that'll make it real easy to, I'm sorry, can you say that again? We're going to put that on the back of the tractor, and then that will make it easy to pick up that trailer. you doing? You still recording? Still doing good? Yeah, looks like it. Let's put you right here for a close look. You sure love to chew batteries up. All right, it's kind of loud right here right now. What I'm gonna do is take this footage inside, get it off the cameras, charge up some batteries. I was gonna straighten these out before Austin gets here, but probably we'll just wait. He and I can do that together once we got the Bobcat lined up and get them ready to go. All right, so we'll see you in a little bit.